Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Damian Jr. Gong Marley was added to Groovin' in the Park concert. Marley will join a stellar lineup of acts such as reggae artist Romain Virgo, Busy Signal, Capleton and R&B legend Babyface, among others. The annual music festival is set for Roy Wilkins Park in Queens, New York on June 24. Reggae dub act Nomads will be releasing their second album Heaven on Earth later this year. The album is co-produced by Nomads and Major Laser's Walshy Fire. The 9-song project focuses on everyday issues and will be accompanied by a short film. Nomads' previous album Sly and Robbie Presents The Nomads was released back in 2015. The album featured tracks like Romance and Shatter. The once 4-member group now comprises founders Sheldon Shepherd and Everaldo Crary. Nomads are scheduled to perform at Sierra Nevada World Music Festival in California on June 24. This marks their third performance at the Roots Festival that is slated to run from June 22 to 24. On the international scene, English actor-producer Idris Elba has shared his first trailer for the directorial debut movie Yardie.
Look at yourself. I know it hurt, I know. The grief.
The film was recently premiered at the Sundance Film Festival. This marks the actor's first project behind the camera, which is set right here in Kingston and Hackney in England during the 1970s and 80s. Yardie follows the life of a young Jamaican man named Dee, who has never fully recovered from the murder of his older brother Jerry Dredd, played by Nomads member Everaldo Crary. The movie also features group member Sheldon Shepherd, This Is England star Stephen Graham, Jamaican actor Chantal Jackson, among others. Yardie will be released in UK cinemas later this year. International reggae artist Sean Paul gave over 40 local and international fans a treat with his Mad Love VIP Experience concert over the weekend. The event was held on the lawns of the Sandals Hotel in Oterius and saw the artist performing hits such as No Lie, Get Busy, Deport Them and Gimme the Light, among others.
Super excited. I am such a big fan.
The artist later released a statement to the public thanking his fans and well-wishers for their support, as he has been fulfilling his contractual obligations despite being in mourning over the loss of his father Garth Henriquez late last month. In a statement, he also added that the period since his father's death has been difficult and that he would be cancelling a number of his subsequent scheduled interviews as a result.
Mournfulness is expressed in different ways. People express it differently. So all you have to do is just be there in support, prayers. He's a strong guy, so he'll be good, he'll be okay.
Sean Paul is, however, still gearing up to release his EP titled Mad Love Prequel, which will feature songs like No Lie and Mad Love, along with other work with French producer and DJ David Guetta. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.